Well, if yes, then we present to you the Great Grater. This makes grating coconuts easier than ever. Not only does this thing grate coconuts, it also grates other types of fruits and vegetables. Later on, we will showcase our prototype.
In a household, coconuts are used frequently. We grate it to make chutneys, curries and sweets. But it is very difficult to grate.
So as a solution, we've created the Great Grater, in which we can grate coconuts and other fruits and vegetables easily just by pressing the button, and so we'll show how it works. So when we take this, the motor will spin, which makes the blades and sides spin.
So the materials we used for this were slotties, the connectors, ice cream sticks, skewers and the motor.
Wow.
Okay, if you don't buy this grater, then your brain will get grated just like the coconuts. I don't know.
How much money do you want for the project?
None.
Okay. You want something?
I have a question.
Yes.
What all can it get other than coconut?
It can grate like anything,
Light,
like other fruits and vegetables.
light or grain also.
Yeah, it can like grate anything. It's very powerful.
Can it grate a pineapple?
Yeah, it can.
Yeah.
It can like grate anything. Like I said.
What happens if there is no electricity? How are we going to grate it?
So
It's battery powered. So
yeah, we have to put batteries and turn it on. So it works.
Very